Number 83. 10 seconds shot clock. Three, number 6.
Saito.
Lock number 6. Ball number 17.
First foul, Saito.
First ball number 17.
Importante yan, mga trademark.
Chirichi.
Agawan lang.
White possession.
Napigan.
White basketball.
Nilaban tayo.
24 to White. Assist number 21. Rebound number 8. Three, number 13.
Sublaser ah. Ayaw. Malupit.
Same goal shot clock, 8 seconds.
8 seconds. Malupit ka talaga, sir. Respounder ka talaga, sir.
Lupit ko talaga, sir. Mabilis.
Rebound 83.
Patay. Saito.
Rebound number 21.
Foul.
Medyo nga talaga na po.
Foul number 83.
Foul 83. 83 ay second foul.
Second foul number 83. Second foul.
Medyo
Five seconds shot clock. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation.
Pass. Receive. Turnover.
Time out.
Pick! Come on! Bigay ng pick!
10-second shot clock.
Sino? Nak.
Foul number 83.
Tatlo.
Third personal foul number 83. Third foul.
Tatlo. Sumabit eh.
Three. Time out. Team Moran.
Time out. Time out mo. Kaya nakatrace ko si Sir Tom.
Sir Tom ba yun?
Ay, si Sir Delson.
Muro pa nga sa atin eh. Stepping.
1 point lang daw, 1 point. Free throw lang yun eh. 1 point lang. Yan lang, Ben. Good job.
Steal number 24. Defensive rebound 24. Foul. Number 48.
Ano ko yung ano?
Sige, sige.
Press pa lang.
Pag-shoot yan.
Na-shoot. Sab daw siya? Ah, wala eh.
Rebound 48.
About 48.
Nice beat, nice beat.
10-second shot clock. Out of bounds. Substitution. 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 Two points. Number 47. Rebound 21. 47, 2 points. Ten shot clock. Basic rebound 73, 2 points. Foul number 25. Substitution penalty. Penalty.
foul, Jude.
Rebound 26. Rebound 47. Take rebound number 12. Ball number 25. Penalty.
Second,
Substitution.
second personal foul.
Ito yung point guard.
Pinagdagan mo assist.
10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Rebound 26.
All the way.
Foul number 42.
Dave. Dave.
Ten shot clock. 5 shot clock.
Wala pa rin.
Rebound 73.
Wala rin.
Rebound 85. Foul. Number 25 penalty. Substitution. Substitution.
Third personal foul.
Third foul, number 25. Third foul.
Atas lang tayo.
Yari.
Kaya matagal kami dito eh.
Rebound 25.
Nice.
73 to point.
All the way. Sham.
10 shot clock. Defensively 199. Rebound 73. Seventy-three to one.
Hindi lang yan.
Lugos, ano pa?
Tatlo.
Screen!
Yun no?
Rebound 73.
Pero Mark dapat magdala ng bola.
Steal number 8. Steal number 5. Rebound 99.
Thank you.
10 seconds shot clock.
Sub.
Nice one. 2 points. Assist number 8.
Ano na?
Walang timeout? Wala na?
Wala na daw eh.
Wala daw eh.
3 timeout, 2 timeout.
Rebound 85.
Champion ah.
12 seconds na.
Champion to. Champion ah.
10 seconds shot clock. 30 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. Rebound 73. 28, 2 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Penalty sila, penalty!
5 seconds.
Anis.
2 points. End of third quarter.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
End cap.
Tuloy ka na.
Tuloy na. Tuloy.
Nice game. See you Friday. Tapos
Ano yun? Hindi, next pa yun.
yun, nakikita kami.
Hindi, next pa yun ah.
Duty ako linggo. Gabi, relocation.
Anong ano yun?
Last week pa yun, bago mag-asip.
Back to the whole game.
Kami. Sir, rescue sir. Linggo, wala kayong pasok doon. Kami lang. First.
Ano? Mag-i-off?
Relocation. Tayo, lalapit na andong si... Ako natikman sa andong sa mga. Bili ako ng damit ng anak ko. Bili ako. Tapos, may ticket na ako. Iyak na ano. Dapat tinaw ka doon.
Paano yun?
6 2 points.
Pasi.
Tinaw ka doon ha?
Dino.
Wala, kahit malayo. Di ba yun?
Presence of mind na
10 seconds shot clock.
Hindi nga marinig na ano.
Foul number 6.
si ano Basi. Malupit ka doon. Second foul, Basi.
Second foul number 6.
Ala!
Out of bounds.
Pito. Lima.
Lagot.
2 points.
Assist. Jane.
Ten seconds shot clock. Rebound 83.
Sab. Time out. Sige.
Rebound 24.
Ang lalakas.
Block number 83.
Lalakas. Adal mo. Maganda laban, no? Ayun na, humahang time. Time out. Time out to.
Foul 47. Timeout team Akbar.
Dalawa po. Announce mo, dalawa.
7. Series. First foul.
Sabla yun.
Bati sarado na sila.
Serto mo, nawala. Basic. Kerbasi. Apat na lang. Kerbasi. 3 points.
Ten shot lang. Foul number 42.
42. Second foul.
Second foul number 42.
Yan na. Yan na.
Defensive rebound number 8. Rebound number 3.
Pipesa. Foul counted.
Pushing foul number 13. No basket. Substitution.
No basket.
Basket. No basket.
No basket. Wala ko mas.
Jacob. Rebound down. Stay on the inside. Stay on the inside, Jacob.
Solid.
Rebound 85.
Tay. Art mo. Bigay ng pick.
10 shot lang.
Bigay ng pick.
5 shot lang.
Counted. Foul.
Foul basket. Foul number 6.
Kerbasi. Third personal foul.
Third personal foul number 6. Third foul.
Malago na naman.
Jacob. Just stay here.
Nako, 20.
Go.
Still.
Stay number 8. Lane for the point. Ten seconds shot clock.
Foul.
Foul number 47. Substitution.
Pangalawa na.
Second ball, 47.
Wala pa.
Third ball, Sesionado. Team man.
Finish.
47 to 1.
Oh. Ano sir? Sub? Time out? Wag na, pag nakashoot.
10 seconds shot clock. Time out. Team Moran.
Sino foul?
Last foul, number 24.
Foul.
First foul pa lang. Ito yung mic na nyo.
One remaining timeout. Two remaining timeout.
Back to the ball game.
Maganda depensa.
Team number 8. Foul number 42. Warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty.
Tatlo. Game.
Third foul number 42. Third foul.
Nice.
10 seconds shot clock. Foul number 83 penalty. Both teams penalty.
3. Apat na yan eh. Apat.
Fourth personal foul number 83. Warning for foul down.
Kinaya ang powers. Uy. Talaga.
73 to 20.
All the way. Malas basi, no?
Come on! Pick! Set! Bigay ng pick!
10 seconds shot clock. Out of bounds.
Ali Borton.
Abot yun eh. Tumulog eh.
Traveling.
Traveling violation.